Samsung is cooking up something special for those who don't want to spend a fortune on the Galaxy S25 series. According to the Elec, the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition is expected to launch in 2025, and this time it's getting a major design tweak. It'll be slimmer than the S24 Fan Edition. Well, Samsung is likely using a thinner yet wider battery to achieve this sleeker look. This isn't new in the smartphone world, but it does mean the internal layout, especially the circuit board, will need adjustments. It's a bit tricky, but definitely something Samsung can pull off. The chipset for the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition is still uncertain. Samsung used the Exynos 2400E in the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition, but rumors suggest that the Exynos 2500 might not be available for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. As a result, Samsung may need to opt for either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy or the Snapdragon 8 Elite for the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition. However, if Samsung can ramp up production of the Exynos 2500 by the latter half of next year, it could potentially power the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition. For the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, Samsung may also choose to use a combination of MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 and the Snapdragon 8 Elite. It's unclear exactly how thin the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition will be, but Samsung might aim to match the thickness of the standard Galaxy S24, which is 7.6mm. The report also mentions that the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition will have a 6.7-inch screen, similar to the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. Samsung had already increased the screen size with the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition compared to the smaller 6.2-inch display of the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition. Along with a larger screen, they also included a bigger 4,700 mAh battery. Leaks suggest that Samsung has already begun mass-producing its Exynos 2500, built on advanced 3nm technology. This processor was initially rumored to be part of the standard Galaxy S25 lineup, but that didn't happen. Now reports claim it might be used in a future Galaxy Z Flip model, but there's also a strong chance it could end up in the S25 Fan Edition. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.